Recently, I read a great book called The Good Gut, and I learned an important term from the authors, the Sonnenbergs, and that is healthy Big Macs. And there, the Sonnenberg's Healthy Big Macs stands for Microbiota-Assisted Carbohydrates. And those are truly healthy Big Macs. Now, what are we talking about here? Is the book Good Gut is about building up our microbiota. One of the ways we build up our microbiota is through fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and probiotic supplements. Also, homemade dairy is also very rich in healthy microbiota associated foods. And so why do we want to nourish our microbiota? Well, basically, it turns out that our immune system and our digestive systems are very tied into microbiological balance in our body. So balance is very important, not only to traditional medicine, that is like Chinese medicine, but also in regular Western medicine. And so if there's too many unhealthy bacteria, we might get sick. And so this is why bacterial balance is so important. So basically, Andrew Weil, in the preface to the Sonnenberg's book, Good Gut, says that there are really four reasons that people are having problems with their gut flora these days. Number one, people are consuming too many industrialized processed foods. Number two, the widespread use of antibiotics. So unfortunately, in 2021, I was on antibiotics for about 2 months, 2 to 3 months in a row. And that does tremendous damage to your microbiota. One of the things I learned in the Sonnenberg's book is that one course of antibiotics is really bad, but 2 courses of antibiotics is like 8 times bad. So the longer you stay on antibiotics, the more destructive they are to your microbiota. And so one of the things I've recommended to clients is that they basically use 2 days, a minimum of 2 days of the best probiotics they can find for every 1 day of antibiotics. And so I was on all these antibiotics. I was on probiotics for at least a year, every day for a year, to correct the imbalance caused by the 3 months I was taking antibiotics. And my tip, I've been using probiotics myself and with clients for over 35 years. And I will tell you, you want to find the most effective probiotic. In general, the multi-strain probiotics are better, but there are some excellent single-strain probiotics. And then I always like to say, people ask me, what are the best probiotics? There's a lot of buzz. I say, the best probiotics are those that you rotate. So you take one type of probiotic and for a month, and then you take a different type of probiotic. It's because there's so much, we want to inoculate the body with microbial diversity. So we want many probiotic strains. And that's why I like these combination probiotic products. And again, the best products are usually assayed to have billions of microorganisms. So you don't want to use one that's just 100 million. It sounds like a lot, but it's not a lot in terms of probiotics. So I see capsules in the pharmacy or in the health food shop anywhere from 1 billion per dose to up to 50 billion per dose. So I strongly suggest using the best probiotics you can. And so the point of the Good Gut book is that we can generate our own probiotics by using prebiotics. These are things that help generate probiotics, such as Jerusalem artichoke is a good example. Chicory is another example, but also, more importantly, fresh fruits and vegetables. And they do not have to be raw in order to help reestablish your microbiota. And then the Sonnenbergs also recommend nuts and seeds. So one of the things that's nice about their book is that they're a couple and they have young kids. And so it's about how can we get our young kids to take less antibiotics and take more probiotics and get more probiotic activity in our digestive system. And it's basically through using fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and occasionally taking probiotic supplements. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please comment below and let us know what topics you'd like to hear about. And be sure to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel.